Three, two, one.
Hi, Scorpions!
Welcome back to Detv. I'm Naomi.
And I'm Jackie. Check out these recipes from video 1.
So you want some scrambled eggs. You grab your eggs, and then you gotta grab your milk. But there's no milk. So what are you gonna do? Well, don't worry, I'm gonna show you a simple scrambled eggs recipe that doesn't require milk. But at least you got your eggs. You're gonna wanna grab 2, maybe 3 eggs. It really depends on how much of the scrambled eggs you want. And you're just gonna wanna whisk them for 2 to 3 minutes. Maybe 4 if you really need to. Then for the temperature heat, you're just gonna wanna put that on somewhere between low and high. So like a very good medium. You're gonna twist that onto there like that. And you're gonna wait for that to heat up. Then when it's warm, you're just gonna wanna put your pan on the stove. And then you're gonna grab your oil and just put just enough oil to cover the entire pan. Pour it in just like that. And when your eggs are starting to cook like that, you're just gonna want to keep pushing in the edges of the egg to keep it that fluffy and letting the rest of the egg that's already cooked on the inside come to the outside, and then you push those back in. And then when that side's been on there long enough, you just flip it and let the other side cook. And there you go, your eggs are ready. Now just put some black pepper on there and you're good to go.
Tell me, how do you think Valentine's Day went for other students at DE?
I think it went good, but let's ask David for more details.
My name is David Edwards, and I'm going to ask couples how their Valentine's Day went.
Our smile is our most defining feature. Without proper care, your teeth will begin to yellow and your gums will become irritated, and after long enough, your teeth will fall out. To start properly caring, begin with flossing every time before you brush your teeth. This will remove plaque and other unwanted junk from between your teeth. Next, brush your teeth twice a day for 2 minutes minimum. To meet the quota, brush in the morning and before you go to bed. Don't ruin your smile. Start following these methods today.
Oh my god, thank you!
Do you have Valentine? No. I I love my boyfriend, but I want to know.
Thank you so much. That is so cute.
What about
Thank you.
Happy Valentine.
Here you go from DT. Huh?
That's what we're doing.
Thank you for watching.
Make sure to follow our social media.
And stay tuned for next time.
But guys, wait.
We're only 20 subscribers away from reaching
1,000 subscribers.
so make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!
Jackie.
What the fuck is going on there? And YouTube or?
Getting 10. Hi, score.
Sorry.
Thank you for. Are you doing something on Valentine's Day?
Yeah, I am.
I really like her, but I wish I could understand more about. Wait, do I? Oh, wait, we went for other DE students. Should have DE.
I think it went good.